Hello guys, and welcome back to my little corner of the internet. My name is Joachim of the Finman, and today we are going to continue with the roof project. Last we left off, I built these stairs up there. Well, I kind of reused old stairs I found in the barn and enhanced them a little bit. And then I built the stairs on the roof. So this is where we are going to continue today. I've been having some sound issues. There's been problem with mic popping and clicking. I hope I figure out how to do that. If I did, I'm glad. If not, I'm sorry. But without further ado, let's continue. Today I'm going to be fixing the rusts a little bit, taking some nails off the roof and replace them with screws. Most of the nails were actually in pretty good shape. Some of the nails have come out some, but not that many. So I think this is going to be a lot easier than I thought. But being up there in 5 meters, it's still very scary. So yeah, but let's do this. I'm gonna be using this for cleaning the rusted places. Then this to screw in a screw. And I guess this to take out the nails. That's what I'm gonna use today. And then I'm gonna be putting cold galvanizing stuff on the rusted places too. I also have lots of pockets so that I can carry with me everything I need. The view is great up there, and yeah, I'm just a little bit worried. Oh well, we'll see. Progress is not fast, but there's progress. There. The angle is a little bit weird. I think I broke my light and, well, stuff. That happens. Day 3, Wednesday, is done. There was some progress. I'm happy. And tomorrow, hopefully, I'm going to be able to do even more. Quarter of the roof is done, 1/4. So maybe 2 more days, and then the other side. The other side is not that bad. It's just this side which is pointing towards the sun. This is the worst. And tomorrow I should be getting bigger screws. The screws I'm using, these, they don't. The threads are. These are only 4.8 millimeters, and they are too small. They don't grip the wood under the shit. Anyways, let's continue tomorrow. Bye. Good morning and welcome back. Today I'm gonna continue with the roof. The screws I have been using for replacing the nails, they were too small, so I ordered some bigger ones. They should be pretty good. They should come today. Also today I'm gonna continue going through the rust spots over there. That's pretty much today's program. I need to end early today because they said it's going to be raining. So we'll see. Maybe I have 2 hours or something like that. Let's go. Let's move the safety rope. I've been breathing that spray and it feels bad. Okay, let's move the safety rope. Okay, I'm gonna continue this, I guess, until I get to the end. But it's basically the same thing as before. As soon as I get the screws, I'm gonna be replacing a couple of nails from there. Other than that, I'm good. So, I just got back from the store, get the new screws. The weather is also getting pretty nasty. It's starting to look good. I'm halfway there. I think it's gonna be raining soon. But yeah, I got back from the store with the new screws. Let's see. These. And as you see, they are a lot thicker than the old ones. These are a little bit loose for the holes, but I think these are pretty good. Then again, these are quite short, but I don't know. Let's go and try them out. I have this thing going on. And that breaks all the time. Really annoying. The only reason I have this light here is because the microphone is so big. Let me show you. If I put the microphone without the light here, there, it's in a picture. I ordered, what was it? Rode Wireless Go microphone. It should be here like tomorrow. So, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, let's go and check it out, the screws. Sorry about the bad audio. It's really hard to go with tools and everything up here. So damn scary. try this. I hope this is good. I really do. They were pretty expensive. I think it's pretty good. It sticks. Yeah. I'm gonna go with these. They're good enough. Also, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be raining, so I'm gonna just change a couple of screws over there and then I'm off from this place. Okay, it's raining. I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, it's gonna get really slippery. Yeah, I don't want to fall. There we go. Scary stuff, scary stuff. Sorry about the bad audio. I need to figure out what to do with that stuff. I mean, these, I tried to glue it, but it didn't hold. But yeah, I'm gonna get the better microphone. I mean, this is a super good microphone. I just have the problem that it's so big. I'll see you soon. Bye.